Fairwinds, from my perspective, I would say everyone was really welcoming, really warm and inviting. It really didn't take long to feel comfortable.
I felt hope when I walked in there. And it was very, very different from all the other treatments that I went to.
Each and every person on the staff was really equipped and specialized in what they do.
The number one thing was the team. The team was by far the biggest difference from all the other treatment centers.
The people really cared about me, the staff, every person on staff, whether it was a nurse, a tech, the therapist, they're all part of my recovery in a really special way.
They were just so sweet, they were so patient. The doctors, even when they suggested things that I didn't necessarily like to hear, I trusted them and I knew that they knew what they were doing.
We do put a lot of emphasis on family work. We do try to include them as much as possible, from admissions to meeting with the psychiatrist, to meeting with the therapist, to meeting with myself, doing meals with the patients, being able to kind of learn along with their loved one how they can help them maintain their recovery when they're at home. So we do try to put a lot of emphasis on the family.
They brought in my family, they brought in support systems, so they're educating the people around me so that when I did leave Fairwinds, I was set up for success.
Fairwinds is not just here to do their job. It's not that to them, not to their heart. They are seriously very passionate about your recovery and who you are as a person, and they're not going to stop. They're not going to stop until they see that recovery happen.
The staff here, in addition to a high level of skill, are also very passionate about what they're doing. So all of our staff members, from our housekeeper up through our administrator, are truly committed to connecting with the patients that we're serving and helping to make a difference in their lives.
It becomes hard to express yourself and you lose your voice and you start to close off, and the art therapy was a way for me to express myself again without really having to use my voice. So it was a really great step in letting go of the eating disorder and starting to speak up and start to heal.
I am Carissa, and I am no longer a slave to my mind and the lies that once overtook me, but I am now free to be me and fully love myself. And I'm excited for where life is going to take me, thanks to Fairwinds.
Fairwinds is the place. They're there every step of the way. They're encouraging, they're with you through the hard times, the good times. And I just would want people to know that there is healing. There is life outside of eating disorders, addictions. There's so much more to life than that. I would want that for anyone who is contemplating whether to come to Fairwinds or not, that there is a place for them here, and there is recovery, and there is joy.